Hello and welcome to the One Day One Trade Challenge channel. Here, I manage a portfolio of €20,000 and every day I select a stock that meets my technical criteria, with a clear objective, to make a 5% capital gain. Today is day 8 of the challenge, June 18, 2025. The portfolio continues to evolve, trade by trade, with transparency, regularity, method and discipline. This content is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor. Everything I share here is purely educational and informational. Investing involves risk. We continue our daily challenge. As always, I select just one stock a day, from a solid company that I know well, and listed on a highly liquid market. This keeps me focused and limits the need to make multiple decisions. The stocks I choose are all large cap. These are not penny stocks or companies with low liquidity. This is a real portfolio, and the sums involved are from my own money. This trading journal is designed to be transparent, methodical and accessible. It is aimed at all those who want to actively manage their portfolio in real time, without leverage or unrealistic promises, but with genuine daily monitoring. Every day, I start by analyzing the opportunities according to my criteria. Only one action is retained. This keeps me focused and limits the need for multiple decisions. This morning, a configuration seemed interesting enough to trigger a new trade. Today's selected stock is Rio Tinto, ticker Rio. Rio Tinto is one of the world's largest mining groups, with over 150 years of history. Founded in 1873, the company began by operating a copper mine in Spain, and has gradually grown to become a global player in the extraction, processing and marketing of natural resources. Today, Rio Tinto specializes in the extraction of strategic raw materials such as iron, copper, aluminium, lithium, uranium, titanium and diamonds. These resources are essential to sectors such as construction, electronics, batteries, renewable energy and, of course, the automotive industry. The company owns some of the world's most successful mines, including the gigantic Pilbara iron mine in Australia, and the Oyu Tolgoi copper mine in Mongolia. It also operates ports, railroads and processing facilities, giving it an integrated supply chain, a major competitive advantage. Rio Tinto also stands out for its long-term strategy. It invests heavily in innovation, mine automation and low-carbon technologies. In particular, it is a pioneer in low-carbon aluminium production, with its partnership with Alcoa and Apple in the ELYSIS project. From a financial point of view, the company has been posting high profitability for several years, generous dividends, among the highest in the sector, rigorous debt management, and solid cash flow even in times of commodity volatility. The stock is listed in London, Sydney and on the New York Stock Exchange. It is closely followed by major institutional funds, not least because of its direct exposure to global demand for metals linked to the energy transition. Finally, despite its cyclical exposure to commodity prices, Rio Tinto is often seen as a barometer of global economic health. When copper or iron prices rise, it's usually a good signal about global growth. In short, Rio Tinto is a cyclical, strategic and well-managed stock, with a dominant position in several key markets. I bought Rio Tinto shares at a price of $57, for a total of €1,000, or around 20 shares. Here's a screenshot of the order placed via DEGIRO, my main trading platform. I use DEGIRO to execute my trades. If you don't have a trading platform yet, you'll find an affiliate link in the description. It doesn't change anything for you, but it supports the channel. Thanks to those who use it. My objective remains unchanged, to resell this position with a gain of plus 5%, i.e. at a price of $60. Should the stock fall by 10% or more, I plan to reinforce the position with a further €2,000. This reduces the average entry price, and increases my chances of exiting at a profit on any rebound. This strategy remains simple: no leverage, no brutal stop loss, only progressive reinforcements on solid companies. This method allows me to act without stress, with a strategy prepared in advance. Here's how the portfolio tracking table has been updated. Day 1, Salesforce, current position. Day 2, Stanley Black & Decker, current position. Day 3, Omnicom Group, current position. Day 4, Adobe, current position. Day 5, Lululemon Athletica, current position. Day 6, PayPal, current position. Day 7, Charter Communication, current position. Day 8, Rio Tinto, new position. The complete table will be displayed on screen and updated every day to keep track of the portfolio in a transparent, easy-to-read manner. The portfolio is now exposed to 8 ongoing trades, each worth €1,000. There are still €12,000 available, uninvested for the moment. You will be informed of the evolution of each position, if a target of plus 5% is reached, if a reinforcement is made, or if a trade is closed. This is a real portfolio, and the money involved is mine. This challenge is therefore a real performance follow-up, in real conditions, with a simple, measured approach, documented on a daily basis. The aim is to show that a simple, rigorous strategy can be followed on a daily basis. Thank you for following this 8th episode of One Day One Trade Challenge. If you like this format, subscribe, activate the bell, leave a like and post a comment. Your feedback is invaluable, I read it all, and it helps the channel grow enormously. See you tomorrow for Day 9, with a carefully selected new opportunity. See you tomorrow.